everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you, Emma. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am. I'm very happy because I'm excited for today's topic.
Ooh, yes. Today's topic is super useful and also fun. I like fun topics.
Me too. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. It helps us so much. We really appreciate your support.
We really do. Okay, Emma, I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today, our topic is, what do you like to do?
Oh, I love this. This is a question people ask all the time when they meet someone new.
Yes, it's a very common question. When you meet a new friend, a coworker, or even a first date, people often ask, what do you like to do?
Right. It means, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy? How do you spend your free time?
Exactly. So today we're going to talk about different things we like to do. We'll use very simple English so you can learn how to talk about your own hobbies.
And we'll tell some stories, too. Maybe a little embarrassing stuff.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay, Paul, let me ask you first. What do you like to do in your free time?
Good question. In my free time, I like to relax. I work a lot, so when I'm free, I enjoy quiet things.
Like what?
I like to watch movies at home. I like to sit on the couch, get a blanket, and just relax.
That sounds so nice.
Yeah, it's my favorite way to end the day. I also like to drink tea while I watch movies.
Oh, tea and movies. That's a good combination. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies, comedies. I love to laugh. Life is already serious, so I want my movies to be silly.
I agree. Laughing is so important. Sometimes I watch a funny video after a long day and it changes my mood.
Yes, laughter is like medicine.
That's a great sentence for learners. Laughter is like medicine. It means laughing makes you feel better.
Exactly. So Emma, what about you? What do you like to do?
I like many things, but one of my favorite things is going for walks.
Walks? Like exercise?
Yes, but not fast walking, just slow, relaxed walking. I like to walk in the park or around my neighborhood.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. I put on headphones and listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I don't listen to anything. I just listen to the birds and the wind.
Wow, that sounds very calm. I should do that more. I usually just sit at home.
Sitting at home is also good sometimes. Rest is important.
So, what do you like to do can also mean hobbies, right?
Yes, a hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time, not for work, just for fun.
Okay, Emma, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I like drawing.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm not amazing, but I enjoy it. I like to draw simple things, like flowers, faces, and little houses.
That's so cool. When do you draw?
Usually at night, before bed. It helps me relax.
So, instead of looking at your phone, you draw.
I try. Sometimes I still look at my phone, but I'm trying to draw more.
That's a good habit. I should try that. My hobby is cooking.
Cooking, that's a great hobby.
Yeah, I really like cooking at home. I like trying new recipes.
What kind do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. Pasta is easy and you can change it in many ways.
That's so true. Pasta with vegetables, pasta with chicken, pasta with cheese.
Yes, one time I tried to make a very fancy pasta dish for my friends.
Oh no, I feel a story coming.
Yeah, I put too much salt. Way too much. My friends tried to be nice, but I could see their faces.
Oh no.
One of them drank 3 glasses of water during dinner. That's when I knew something was wrong.
That's such a funny memory, though.
Yes, now we laugh about it. Cooking mistakes are part of learning.
That's a great life lesson. Mistakes help us learn. So, Paul, I sometimes ask, do you like to do indoor activities or outdoor activities?
I think I like indoor activities more. I like being comfortable at home.
Same sometimes, especially when it's cold or raining.
Yes, on a rainy day, I love staying inside, watching a movie and eating snacks.
What kind of snacks?
Popcorn. Always popcorn.
Classic. I like outdoor activities more, I think. I like being outside in the sun.
What do you like to do outside?
I like riding my bike. Not very fast, just for fun.
That's good exercise, too.
Yes, but I don't think about exercise. I just enjoy the fresh air.
Fresh air really makes a difference. When I stay inside too long, I feel tired.
Me too. Going outside even for 10 minutes can change your mood.
You know, what do you like to do doesn't always mean big hobbies. It can be small things, too.
Yes, like drinking coffee in the morning.
Oh, yes. I love that. I wake up, sit quietly, and drink my coffee. No phone, no talking, just me and my coffee.
That sounds so peaceful.
It's my favorite part of the day. What small thing do you enjoy?
I like sitting by the window when it's raining.
That's very specific.
I know, but it feels cozy. I like watching the rain and just thinking.
Do you think about deep things, like life?
Sometimes. Sometimes I just think, wow, I'm glad I'm inside and not in the rain.
That's also a good thought.
Okay, let's talk about things we like to do with other people.
Yes, I like spending time with friends. That's very important to me.
What do you like to do with your friends?
We like to have game nights.
Oh, fun. Board games?
Yes, board games and card games. We sit around a table, eat snacks, and play games for hours.
That sounds like so much fun.
It is. We laugh a lot. Sometimes we argue a little, but in a funny way.
Friendly competition.
Exactly. What about you?
I like going out to eat with my friends.
Trying new restaurants?
Yes, we like to try food from different countries.
That's a great way to learn about the world.
And it's delicious.
Food always brings people together.
It really does. Sitting at a table, sharing food, talking, it's one of my favorite things.
But also, alone time is important.
Yes, being alone is not a bad thing. It can be very healthy.
What do you like to do when you're alone?
I like reading books.
Oh, nice. What kind of books?
I like simple stories, nothing too heavy. I read before bed.
Does it help you sleep?
Yes, a lot. It helps my brain slow down.
When I'm alone, I like listening to music. I put on headphones and just lie on my bed.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Sometimes I close my eyes and just listen to music. No phone, no talking, just music.
Music can really change your feelings.
Yes, if I'm sad, I listen to calm music. If I'm happy, I listen to loud, fun music.
Same. Music is like a friend. Do you like trying new activities, Paul?
Sometimes I get a little nervous.
Me too. Trying new things can be scary.
Last year, I tried painting for the first time.
Really? How was it?
Not great, but I had fun.
That's what matters.
Yes, I realized I don't need to be good at something to enjoy it.
That's such an important idea. You can say, I'm not good at it, but I enjoy it.
Exactly. What new thing did you try recently?
I tried yoga.
Oh, was it hard?
Yes, some poses were very difficult. I almost fell over.
Did anyone see?
Yes, the whole class.
Oh no.
But it was okay. Everyone was focused on themselves. No one really cared.
That's a good lesson. People are usually not watching us as much as we think they are.
Let's talk about the past. What did you like to do when you were a child?
Oh, good question. I loved riding my bike with my friends. We rode around the neighborhood for hours.
That sounds like a movie.
It felt like one. We felt so free. What about you?
I liked playing video games.
Still true today?
Yes, a little, but not as much as before.
What games did you play?
Adventure games. I liked exploring new worlds.
That's so fun. As a kid, I also liked drawing, so some hobbies stay with us.
That's true. Our childhood hobbies can become adult hobbies too.
Do your hobbies change when your mood changes?
Yes. When I'm tired, I like quiet things, like watching TV.
And when you have a lot of energy?
Then I like going outside or cleaning my apartment.
Cleaning, really?
Yes, sometimes cleaning makes me feel better. My room looks nice and my mind feels clear.
That's actually true. A clean space can make you feel calm.
What about you? When you feel stressed, I like to take a walk or write in a notebook.
Writing your feelings down?
Yes, it helps me understand my thoughts.
That's very healthy.
Let's share some simple sentences learners can use.
Good idea.
You can say, in my free time, I like to watch movies.
Or I enjoy listening to music.
I like to go for walks in the evening.
I love cooking at home.
I like spending time with my friends.
I enjoy reading books before bed.
These are all great, simple sentences.
You know, Emma, talking about this makes me realize something.
What?
Life is not only about work, it's also about small, happy moments.
I love that. Yes, the things we like to do make life more colorful.
Even simple things like drinking coffee or watching the rain,
Or laughing with friends.
or relaxing with music.
So, to everyone watching, think about this question. What do you like to do?
Your answer is important. Your hobbies and small joys matter.
They help you relax, feel happy, and be yourself.
And they also help you talk to other people in English.
Exactly. Next time someone asks you, what do you like to do? You'll be ready.
You can share your hobbies, your favorite activities, and even funny stories.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We had a great time talking with you.
Don't forget to practice speaking these sentences out loud.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.